Hello, today we will guide you through how to request access to a Facebook page in Meta Business Suite. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to locate the right settings area inside Meta Business Suite and begin a request for shared access to a Facebook page. This is useful when you need permission to help manage a page that belongs to another business, client, or team without transferring ownership. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook or Meta account that should be connected to the business requesting access. Once the dashboard loads, give yourself a moment to confirm that you're in the right business portfolio, especially if you manage more than one. Starting in the correct workspace helps avoid sending the request from the wrong account. Next, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click Settings. This will take you out of the main dashboard and into the Business Settings section, where permissions, assets, and connected accounts are managed. If you've never been in this area before, don't worry. This is the standard place for page access and business asset controls. After that, find Page in the left-hand navigation menu and click it. This section displays the Facebook pages connected to the business, along with options for adding or requesting access to additional pages. The left navigation can contain several items, so take your time and make sure you select the page-related option. Once you're in the Pages area, move to the top right corner and click Add. This opens the available options for bringing a page into your business settings. It's important to choose carefully here because Meta may show different ways to connect a page depending on whether you own it, already manage it, or need permission from someone else. From the menu that appears, click Request Shared Access and then follow the on-screen procedure. Meta will guide you through the remaining prompts, which typically include identifying the Facebook page you want access to and confirming the type of access being requested. Read each screen carefully before submitting, so your request is accurate and more likely to be approved without delays. Once submitted, the page owner or current administrator will need to review and approve the request. If you don't see access right away, that usually means it's still pending. That's it. You've now started the process of requesting access to a Facebook page in Meta Business Suite.